Welcome back to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we're making a slow cooker cheesy broccoli soup. Let's take a look at the ingredients. You're going to need a 2-pound box of velvety cheese. We're going to need some celery soup, and that's cream of celery. We're going to need 2 cans of that. Half and half. Chicken broth. And I found some chopped broccoli. We're going to need some chopped broccoli to go into our soup. Along with 1 onion and some black pepper. And I have some cooking spray here to spray my slow cooker. Let's get started. Now that we have our prep work out of the way, we're going to go ahead and mix our liquids along with some seasonings, and we're going to add that to our pot and mix well, and we're going to let it cook for 2 to 3 hours, and this is going to become one rich creamy soup. Y'all, our soup is ready, and take a look at it. Now, I did stir my soup every hour. That's because I wanted to make sure everything was moving along and not sticking, because we have lots of cheese in this soup. But it looks amazing and it smells so good. I am ready to plate me some up. Now, there is no need to use an immersion blender to blend the broccoli up because we use chopped broccoli. And I feel like it's the perfect size for this broccoli and cheese soup. Now, if you choose a thicker broccoli, then you want to blend it down a little bit. Therefore, it won't be so chunky. But this is perfect. Choose the toppings of your choice for your broccoli and cheese soup, but here are three of the toppings that I really enjoy when I have broccoli and cheese soup. I have oyster crackers, extra cheese, and croutons. And croutons are my favorite. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope it has inspired you to go out and make you some broccoli and cheese soup. And I'm going to see you right back here on the next episode of Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Happy soup making!